Alright, y'all want to see what happened to us last night? See how beautiful it is out. But, yeah, this is what happened to us last night. We had some major rain, major flooding. This limb is on top of my dad's car. Look how that thing's squatting. We got our tree removal friend coming over. He's going to lift up that branch so my dad could pull it out. But, split that right off the tree. And then our massive maple's gone. Just completely tore. If you look, see that group of pine trees? I'll try to zoom in for you. Those pine trees over there are completely taken out of the ground. Like everything. Like they're not snapped. They're completely picked up out of the ground. We had her horses. They were running around here last night, and people from the neighborhood were chasing them around. It was pretty funny. But there's the pasture. That was pretty flooded. It was actually about halfway up that ditch. There was like a river stream flowing down the road into there, and it was pretty sweet. But look at this massive son of a bitch. Dug a deep hole into the ground. Took out that chunk of sod. We had to park our cars at the end of the driveway last night when we all came home. We had some friends here that my parents went out to dinner with, and they had a Jeep, and they had it parked right in here. It was parked right under these branches, and they pulled out. They got their Jeep out last night when it was downpouring, but when the tree came down, it completely took out their passenger side mirror, their window, and dented their front quarter panel and passenger door really bad. So we were taking pictures this morning for our insurance company. But it was quite a show last night. All streets in town were flooded. All the way down 120, there was not one bit of power. The roads were completely dark. Every intersection, every light was out. And of course, it's a beautiful day today.